Good manners, values, and balanced meals are always what young people are being taught. But if you know a teenage girl or boy right now who would ask you about money, what would you tell them? Are you a teenager seeking ways to build wealth early? Welcome to Luxet, your go-to channel for all things luxury and finance. And welcome back to our new video. This is something that someone in their 20s or 30s would wish to have known during their teenage years. But if you have a teenage child, sibling, niece, nephew, or you just happen to know someone who's in this stage of their life, this is the video that you can share with them so you can teach them how to start young in building money. 7 ways to build wealth young. 1. Saving is different from investing. Saving is putting your money in an account such as checkings, savings, or money market accounts at a bank. Having savings allows you to have security in your finances. Investing, on the other hand, is using your money to buy assets such as bonds, stocks, real estate, and other investments that allow your money to grow throughout time. 2. Know about compound interest. According to Wikipedia, compound interest is the addition to interest to the principal sum of a loan or deposit, or in other words, interest on interest. It is the result of reinvesting interest rather than paying it out, so that interest in the next period is then earned on the principal sum plus previously accumulated interest. And this is one of the best discoveries in mathematical histories of all time. It allows your money to grow exponentially. The younger you are, the more time for compounding interest to do its work. 3. Invest early. The sooner you start investing, the more time you have to allow the effects of compound interest. Well, let's just say that the sooner, the better. Time has the most important effect on generating wealth. Just think about this. If you start at 18, how much more money will you earn than starting at 35? 4. If you cannot afford it, drop it. This is a habit that you should develop and take this with you until you're old enough and earning on your own. There is nothing wrong with spending the money that you have once in a while, but everything goes wrong once you spend money that you don't have. If you develop a bad habit of spending more than what you can afford, then you're gonna take this with you when you're older, and this will lead you to debts. 5. Use credit cards responsibly. Credit cards are an important factor in your financial life. It can also be the demise of your financial health. Many adults often misuse their credit cards by buying unnecessary items and do not grow up to be that kind of adult. Once you keep buying frivolous items, you will put yourself in severe debt. When using this, you need always to remember that you are only borrowing money that you eventually have to pay. So this is just the same as what we mentioned previously. Do not spend on things you cannot afford to pay. Six, assets, not liabilities. You always have to remember the difference between buying an asset and liability, because often adults get confused. And as a young person, you already need to know early that these two are very different. According to business journals, assets are the items your company owns that can provide future benefits, while liabilities are what you owe other parties. In short, assets put money in your pocket and liabilities take the money out. Seven, establish a budget and save for the rainy days. Take an estimate of your expected income and expenses for a given period, and that would be your budget. And you must remember always to live within it. You would also need to have your money set aside for urgent needs, and this would become your emergency funds. If you can figure this out at this early stage of your life, you are on the right track in achieving wealth while being young. We believe that the path to financial security is starting young. Teaching financial literacy to young children is not easy, but you can set yourself as a good role model to them. How about you? What are the steps you wish you knew when you were younger? Do tell us in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button and hit the notification icon to stay up to date with our latest videos. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up.